Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be doing a new nail video, and the theme for this video is going to be baby shower. And I am going to be using some dotting tools for this project. I'm going to be using some very cute buttons for this project as well. And I'm going to be using some pastel colors. And I don't know why I was inspired to create this, but I do think that the baby buttons I found are super adorable, and so why not create a baby shower theme? So just keep on watching. Okay guys, so for my nail designs, I usually just file and set up the nails on the pencils or pens, and then I pick the charms that I'm going to be using for each individual nail. So these are going to be for the thumbnail. Then what I do is I pick the base colors based on the colors of the charm. So this blue looks really nice with pink, and then this one will look nice with a soft yellow. These are going to be for the thumbnails. They will be different, and I have charms chosen for each of the nails already, so I just kind of color coordinate the nail polishes to the charms, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Before coffin nails were created, I used to cut and file the nails to the shape that I wanted. This really saves quite a bit of time to just buy them already made that way. I'll post the links below for you guys if you want to purchase these. Nothing screams babies like polka dots. I lay out stickers on the paper so that I can put drops of polish and dip my dotting tool, and it won't be absorbed by the paper. Pink and green. Oh man, the camera's really washing out the color, but pink and green is my favorite color combination. Well, one of many, I suppose. Once you're done dotting, make sure they dry completely before you put a top coat. Okay, I'm back, and I was fiddling around with the charms while these nails were drying with the last clear coat. After adding the polka dots, I did add rhinestones to this rubber ducky that I'll be using as one of the charms, and now we're going to adhere the charms. Since these are actual buttons, guys, I did clip the backs of them, so you'll make sure to buy some tools to be able to do that, but clipped them, and now we're ready to go. Because it has a clear coat, the glue will slide a bit, and so this will take a little while to adhere, but once it does, it'll be on pretty solid. Just make sure you watch it. That, my friends, is a pinky nail. Guys, I have no idea where I bought these buttons. They've been in my collection for years, but I've been wanting to use them for a nail design for quite some time now. I'll try to find them for you. See if I could post the link below. Guys, I'm just using my nail drill to be able to file the back flat so it can adhere perfectly onto the nail. So the next nail is going to be, you could see how I color matched the polka dots, the yellow and blue, with the charms. There's always a method to my madness. I guess I have baby fever or something, because I just felt like creating these. I like kids and animals more than adults. So I guess you could tell with this design. But I don't want to have kids. I never want to love that much. Always make sure that the charm is centered. Look at it from all angles, sideways and forwards, so that it's centered. With nail design, there are no skipping steps, because every little bit of a detail makes a huge difference in the end. wife's pretending that she's going down an elevator outside my window. Hilarious. This is what I mean by no cutting corners. The smallest details make a difference, and I'm such a perfectionist that I just can't skip. Here I'm just rubbing some pure acetone over the charms to remove any frost that the glue caused and cleaning it with the other side to maximize shine. You always place the charm on the center natural curve of the nail, and you'll see the glue is properly applied, and then you press it onto the nail there, and you can just see that that's where it should be. Okay guys, so here is the finished product, and they turned out absolutely beautiful. I adore them. They are very unique and different from anything I've ever designed in the past, and yeah, each one of them you could see is different, and they're very colorful and very pastel and adorable. My favorite has to be this one here with the bottle and the hands and the little baby face. So if you like this video, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.